Another very important breaking development from West Bengal. A very unfortunate piece of news yesterday when the BJP candidate in Malda, Gopal Chandra Saha, was shot at and he was injured on his neck. And this is part of a trend of very unfortunate developments during the campaign trail in West Bengal, where candidates, campaigners and supporters have actually been injured in violence. Tamal, what do you have in terms of the latest piece of news on the status of Mr. Saha's health? How is he doing now? Is his condition stable? And what does this say about the larger story of the violence that has ensued during the campaign trail and the blame game as an outcome of this between the prominent political parties in the fray?
Well, it was a very close save for Gopal Saha, who is the candidate of BJP, a contesting BJP candidate from Malda town. In fact, he was in middle of Jan Sabha when all of a sudden he felt something had touched and gone by. And later on, they realized there was a huge wound near his neckline. So he was immediately rushed to the hospital. He was bleeding profusely. When taken to the hospital, Malda Medical College, he was given stitches, and thereafter his condition is reportedly stable. So the bullet did not pierce inside his body and stay inside. It has possibly touched by his neckline and left. The BJP is alleging Trinamool Congress hand behind it. But so far, having spoken to senior police, they are saying that they have registered a case on the basis of a complaint, and they are trying to identify the unknown miscreants who possibly have done it. So far, there had not been any arrest, but BJP is blaming Trinamool Congress hand behind it. Yes, in the past couple of days, even in the run-up to the elections, we have seen there had been multiple reports of violence, political violence, even though both the parties, Trinamool Congress and BJP, vowed to abhor it. But then there had been multiple cases of clashes between party workers. And BJP time and again had been alleging that TMC is resorting to high-handedness. TMC is trying to eliminate opposition from the ground. On the other hand, Trinamool Congress is also alleging that BJP is trying to harm their candidates. They are also claiming that many of their candidates have been killed, injured. So on the ground, yes, the dark underbelly of political violence has not really left isolated this time around. There had been multiple cases, but this particular incident which happened in Malda yesterday, while Gopal Saha was holding Jan Sabha, it's something very scary.
Yes.
We have to now wait and see which way the investigation goes. And
thanks. Yes, Tamal. Tamal, we'll come back to you for more updates on the developments in Malda and monitor the situation there closely.